Strengthening Faith 67. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on discovering new things and experiences. Some Muslims have adopted a mentality whereby they are always trying to discover different things and teachings in respect to Islam. They purposely seek lectures and knowledge which is supposedly new and different from what they have already experienced. Even though this is not an evil characteristic, it is an attitude which can lead to misguidance. This can occur when one fails to act on the knowledge they already have heard and studied, yet strive to experience new Islamic information and knowledge. Simply put, if a Muslim has failed to understand and act on what they already know, how can learning new things benefit them? Acting on what one has already listened to and studied is the very reason why the Holy Quran and the narrations of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, often repeat key pieces of information. For example, Allah, the Exalted, only needed to command Muslims to establish their prayers once, yet He has done it many times throughout the Holy Quran. The same way a student cannot progress to the next level or academic year without acting on the knowledge they have already studied, a Muslim will not be able to progress towards the closeness of Allah, the Exalted, unless they act on the knowledge they already possess, even if they search and listen to new things. Some foolishly seek knowledge connected to higher levels of piety, without even acting on the basic principles of faith such as refraining from lying and backbiting. In addition, searching for new knowledge also encourages one to obtain knowledge which is not beneficial, as it does not increase their sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted, which involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Nor is this different knowledge connected to something which Allah, the Exalted, will ask them about on Judgment Day. This is why it is vital for Muslims to concentrate on gaining and acting on the knowledge found within the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, as it will increase their obedience to Allah, the Exalted, and this knowledge is connected to things which will be questioned about on Judgment Day, such as fulfilling the rights of people. The Holy Quran has made it clear that revising important information one already possesses is beneficial and the correct attitude, as this person is more likely to act on their knowledge than the one who only seeks new knowledge. In fact, this attitude benefits the believers. Therefore, if one does not obtain benefit from being reminded about things they already know, then they must reassess their faith. Chapter 51 Ad-Dariyat, verse 55.
And remind, for indeed the reminder benefits the believers.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.